Meaning of incarcerate.
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 Incarcerate. The word incarcerate means to imprison or confine someone. This can be done as a punishment for a crime they have committed or as a preventative measure to stop them from causing harm. It is a serious and often traumatic experience for those who are incarcerated, as they are stripped of their freedom and basic human rights. Incarceration can also have long-lasting consequences, including social stigma and difficulty reintegrating into society after release. Overall, the act of incarcerating someone is a complex issue that involves balancing justice, punishment, and rehabilitation.